Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export part of a video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer and open the project that contains the video you want to export. On the timeline, move the playhead to the point where you want your clip to start. Then, press the I key on your keyboard to set the in point. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want the clip to end. Now, press the O key on your keyboard to set the out point. After selecting the portion of the video you want to export, click the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. CapCut will export only the selected section between the in and out points. In the Export window, enter a name for your video. Then press Enter or click the Export button to begin exporting. Wait a few moments while CapCut processes and saves the video to your computer. Once the export is complete, you can open the saved file and use your trimmed video wherever you need. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.